Hello hackers, doing good. So we recently heard about exploit present, not exploit, a vulnerability present in the following Linux package, Pkexec, and this can be exploited to get a root shell. This has been assigned a CVE ID 2021-4034, and we'll quickly jump on to see how we can exploit this one. So we can get the particular exploit from the GitHub link, and let's quickly copy and clone this. And once this has been cloned, the exploit is very simple. We'll quickly see, we'll make the file and check who am I right now. This is Abhinav, and getting root shell right now is as easy as running this particular exploit. And who am I now? You already know the answer by seeing the particular hash sign here. Still to confirm who am I and root. So the exploit is a rather simple one, and majority of the Linux machines are vulnerable to this. I am running a Kali updated system, the latest updated system, updated 3 days before, and it is vulnerable yet. So patch your systems wherever you are responsible for this, and yes, that's it. Thank you.